Otubagrea usban. Trino ne 6 fial formula for ben ao onderfulusban. Every wife en every mariage y differ. But rare somme comment issu ta manier marié couple face, en if your dealing with them, te following guideline will help you become a better husband. Ben a good partner. Bonest. In a mature relationship, honesty it best policy. It may be difficult, but truth will allow relationship to breat. No matter what happen, no one can ever challenge the fact that you are truthful, which might mean that te personal so give you some respect. If something do and suit let them know, otherwise they will not trust your opinion. Buma qui te sound like a compliment. Suggestant alternative en at après toute alternative. For example, if te ask you if you like something te are trying on, no already very a party, let them know that it might work but you think the blue on your favorite so far because it show off sergrea, insert a feature you appreciate, preferably known that they are self-conscious about. In going to be easy to be honest en qu'un at some team, so focus on learning to give a feedback sandwich on you'll but be better off. Communicate. Dono tal care off, ove, make sur ta if you have a problem ta will affect your mode, she mad avoir of the reason for your problem en mode, so ta you dono apart to me relieve a ficlan cranky creature. Zona out te veritin around you when you're talking to her. If you ask her a question, ask because you really want to know. For example, ask her what type of movie she enjoy, or about one of her favorite. If you know it, talk about it a little bit in honest way, why you took of it, and make a guess how wish might have liked it. Even if you are wrong, your mate will usually love the fact that you are interested in new to try. Remember, the opposite of talking is waiting, is listening. Make sure you're actually listening, no just waiting for your turn to talk. Plus of a vibe that elle tâche quand tell you anything. Make her feel safe. Do your part. Don't make her ask you to pull your own weight around tools. Ti make her feel like an egg, en it crétant adult bar oblique chez relationship. Oui in ve good. She your partner know your mote. Cherche quand coin on you to jet thing and lead. Clean up after yourself, figuratively and literally. Loving, husband nota anion quand fate a baby, but only mature man who understand accept responsibility quand bagot à terre. Do it yourself for bagot del pignon. Grea husband refuse to make anion do anything tete en selve are une willing to do. Helping your wife doing task or core will gain you great respect from your wife if you're consistent willing. Say emotional maturity and take responsibility for your action. Responsible people honor ser commitment, accepte ser du si en accountable for damage te incur, debt te o en cléant te mac. I par of growing up, amant steps up toute plate, will a boy complain or criticize. Make some sacrifice. Mature people make some sacrifice forte people te love en carabou even if te uldra te avitesi. Don't brush your wife off. People often find it exasperating when te jet te feelings their partner treat them en inferior in a relationship. Women are no exception. A lot of people have been taught that only way to jet attention when their partner is trying to ignore them to act more emotional and below until the partner finally surrender and pay attention to her even if in annoyance. If people felt their binge event call treat maybe people who are supposed to be important to them, te jet vorier. Especially when it happen with you giving an explanation for why disturbance a occurred. People are me un reader. Your mate no likely to be able to guess that you're cranky just because te will don't lay you do something that felt to very trivial, or you found it important. If you know that your mood might lead you to overt, simply say I'm feeling really irritated right now. Quand veut-elle qu'aboutit la TFTI cool off a bit? Don't forget to follow through quand actually give your team latte. Don show air event mildest form of content. Content I poison in a relationship. You have to act like wash said or did, but do not take on an attitude of superiority, even subtly in passing, such a momentary smirking, sea of disgust or eye rolling. Suggesture, to seemingly insignificant, deeply show a lack of support, respect and trust, especially over a period of time. Way you naturally act toward should subtly validate a person, even when you do not understand or agree with her. Giving a contact when she has something important to tell you show respect, no giving a contact show disrespect and you don't care about her or she has to say. T will destroy and I attend to communicate well. If you show content in front of your children they will then feel en appropriate way to treat their mote. À son ma fait le contraire mote with content if witness du treat your wife tawe. Showing her you care. Priorities your partner. Shit partner you have chosen, treat her asush. Talk with your wife en set clear expectation about what decision you can make with WOT. En what decision must absolutely be discussed. Ask her opinion when in doubt with them talk to with miote alpha. Be her greatest supporter. Be someone shock not a quand avec un on. Better for her when she had a long day. Listen to her with attentive et yan her. Back her up and ask if she need you to protect her, but physically and emotionally. If you have done something to hurt her, even if you didn't to, tell her you are sorry and show her affection. T must be sincere. Turn nothing worse than I'm sorry tai put on orph on I. Take care of your relationship. Your wife may not need taking care of, but at the end you can still care for her, and for your relationship and family. Your wife may feel overwhelmed with kid and work. Help out, cook her favorite food or make her favorite drink. Help with the kid and help around the house, like doing dish. We are super women a much you like them to be. Be romantique. Wa ben romantiquement vary with life from person to person, but I core, romance involve doing something to express affection in a meaningful yet unexpected way. A true act of romance require creativity and sincerity. Often inspired by love, IT sensory possibility. Reintroduce excitement a characterized beginning of the relationship. Do something differ, something that your wife wouldn't expect. The more out of the ordinary, the better. Treat your wife like they're single, like you're trying to earn her affection and trust. T'opposite ben romance dit ben taken for granted. No one want to feel like they've already been caught on Iove and done with. There are millions of ways to say love you and I'm lucky to have you. Think of the world as your medium. You can write it, say it, school it, look it, eat it, chew it, paint it, kiss it, fold it, grow it, touch it, and express it in a limited way. Keep your sex life invigorated. Kiss her goodbye in the morning like you don't want her to leave. Give her something to think about all day. Be romantique. Suggest new idea. Ask what she like. Be willing to put her pleasure ahead of your. Talk about it. Intimacy, emotional and physical closeness, is important to women. Keep your sex life invigorated. Kiss her goodbye in the morning like you don't want her to leave. Give her something to think about all day. Be romantique. Suggest new idea. Ask what she like. Be willing to put her pleasure ahead of your. Talk about it. Intimacy, emotional and physical closeness, is important to women. Give gift a surprise. Onion can buy a gift for a birthday, Christmas or anniversary. Listen to her when you are out window shopping, and if try something she like, and if in your price range, remember it en surprise her with it when she least expect it, for no reason at all. Or pick something up on your way home from work, and tell her you're thinking of her when you saw it. It 2 et 1 have to be bigger expensive, a book you no willik, aura cédé offert favorite ban harness gesture.